Hey, what's going on, family? Welcome back. I am real estate advisor Sir Ashley, and we're diving into a topic that's very important to our veterans and those using VA loans. We're talking about how government shutdowns can impact your VA loan. Because as of 12/01, this coming Sunday, October 1st, 2023, our government will shut down if a budget agreement can't be reached. Now, this is crucial information, so stick around to learn what you need to know. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you do not miss an upload. Now, let's get into it. First, let's talk the basics of a VA loan. Quick synopsis of what a VA loan is. VA loans are a fantastic benefit offered to those veterans and active duty service members by the United States Department of Veteran Affairs. They are designed to help past and present members of our armed services to buy a home with favorable terms. Not just buy a home, but with favorable terms, including no down payment and a competitive interest rate. Now, you know, if you've heard the news, if you're in the market to buy a home, interest rates are very high compared to a year and a half, 2 years ago. Well, a VA loan offers no down payment and provides you with competitive interest rates. Now, as I was prepping for this video, I came across this sad stat. Please pause this video after I ask this question and leave a comment with what you believe the answer is. Do you know how many veterans actually take advantage of their VA benefits and use a VA loan? Is it 20%, 25, 40, 60%? Again, pause the video, put your answer in the comment section. Welcome back. Hopefully you left your answer in the comment section, but according to Veterans United, only 12% of veterans take advantage of their VA benefits and their VA loans. Now, if you know someone who has served or is serving our country, please do them a huge favor. Do me a favor too, but more looking out for them. Send them this video. Let them know that they're making huge sacrifices for our country, and the least they can do is take advantage of some of the benefits we're trying to give them. I say we, our country is giving them due to their huge sacrifice as a token of our appreciation. Now back to the topic of the video. What happens to VA loans during a government shutdown? Now I'm glad to inform you, for the most part, not 100%, VA loans remain relatively unaffected by government shutdowns. Now, do not skip away just yet, because I said for the most part, because you may still be impacted by a government shutdown if you're in the process of getting a VA loan. Now, the VA loan program itself is backed by the federal government and has a federally backed guarantee. So you don't have to really worry about whether or not the funds will be insured, but it's important that you understand the various components that come into play during a government shutdown. But before I do so, let me go back and talk about the guarantee of the loan. VA loans offer a loan guarantee. This means that the VA promises to cover a portion of the loan if you default. Fortunately, as I said, even during a government shutdown, the VA loan guarantee still remains intact. That doesn't go anywhere. Now, that is a breath of fresh air because it provides security to both the borrower and the lender. But another aspect you need to consider while the government is shut down and you're going through the VA process is the loan processing itself. When you apply for a VA loan, it typically goes through an approved lender of your choice. You, as the buyer, typically get to choose who you want to use as the lender. But these lenders are not government agencies, they're private institutions, so they're not really impacted by the government shutdown. But it is essential. You must be made aware of potential delays that could occur. Some VA employees involved in the loan approval process might be furloughed during a government shutdown. And if those employees are furloughed during a government shutdown, that could slow down the process of your home loan. So you need to be in constant communication with your lender and just your real estate team, your lender and your real estate agent, because you may need to seek an extension on your closing date, just in case the shutdown delays the processing of your closing. The reason why you may want to get an extension on the closing date, because you don't want to risk losing your due diligence monies or your deposit simply because you couldn't close the loan in time that's in your contract. And it had nothing to do with you. It had to do with employees being furloughed that had to do with your approval process. So you may be wondering, what do you do if you're in the middle of a VA loan application during a government shutdown? Again, not to sound like a broken record, but communication is key. The best advice I can give you is to stay in constant communication with your lender and your realtor. In conclusion, while government shutdowns can create some uncertainties, VA loans, for the most part, remain secure and intact. Now, the VA loan guarantee doesn't go anywhere. It is still a huge benefit to the veterans and those serving our country. So if you know of any service members or past service members, please make them aware of their VA benefit and share this video with them. The challenges that could come in play comes in the form of timing. Your closing may be delayed and you want to protect yourself during this delay. So communicate with your lender and your realtor and have them communicate with all the parties of the transaction to let them know what we're up against and the challenges we're facing. Now, one thing I can't say is I don't know how a potential seller would act to you asking for an extension. But they should be understanding, knowing that you are a veteran, you're getting a VA loan, and knowing that the government has shut down, delaying the process. It's nothing you did to cause this delay. I hope you found this information helpful, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with friends and families. And of course, if you have not already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you can be notified when I drop a video. I'm your real estate advisor, sir. Talk soon.